If you're using a mouse with your Mac and the right click isn't working the way you want, there is a simple setting you can change. Apple calls right click secondary click, and you can choose whether the left or right side of your mouse performs that action. Here's how to change it. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner of your Mac screen. Then select System Settings. Once System Settings opens, scroll down the sidebar and click Mouse. You will see several options for customizing how your mouse works. Remember, you will only see the mouse section if a mouse is currently connected to your Mac. Now look for the secondary click option. Click the menu next to it. You will see options that allow you to choose which side of the mouse performs the secondary click. If you are used to Windows, you will probably want to select click right side. Now, clicking the right side of your mouse will open the same contextual menus you would normally get with a right click on a Windows PC. If you are left-handed or simply prefer using the opposite side of the mouse, you can select click left side instead. Your Mac will immediately use that side for the secondary click. And you can always come back to this menu and switch it again later. Once you have changed the setting, try clicking on an app, file, or an empty area of your desktop using the side you selected. You should see a shortcut menu appear. That's your secondary click working. And if you ever forget which side you have assigned, just go back to Apple menu, System Settings, Mouse, Secondary Click. There's also another method you can use. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking the mouse. On a Mac, this is also treated as a secondary click and can open the same shortcut menus. So if your Mac's mouse is behaving differently from what you are used to, don't worry. You don't need a special mouse or any additional software. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to iOS Hacker for more Mac and iPhone tips, tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching.